This video is going to cover Objective 3.3 practice tasks. It asks you to filter the table to display only the bonuses that were more than 2,500. So if you go into bonuses, we're going to use the number filter greater than, and then you're going to go ahead and type in greater than 2,500. Once you hit OK, only those bonuses are going to be displayed. Then you're going to go into products. And in the products tab, there's a couple of different sorts that it does, so we're just going to practice sorting in here. We're going to sort the data by category from A to Z, and then within each category by unit price. So if we go to category and we choose A to Z, and then choose unit price, and we do lowest to highest, it's sorted by those two categories. So tools, then fertilizers, and it goes down. But the price is then sorted. Then it says sort the descending order by category. So we're going to choose the category by Z to A. And then within each category by product name. So then product name is going to be A to Z. So it may show a little different than results. You're just practicing sorting at this point, and this concludes Objective 3.3 practice tasks.